When it comes to Social Security, many retirees are leaving money on the table due to simple mistakes that can be easily fixed. If you're watching this, chances are you're looking to avoid those costly errors and make sure you're getting the full benefits you deserve. In fact, a few simple adjustments could make a huge difference to your retirement income. So stick around for the next few minutes and I'll show you how to fix those mistakes and keep more money in your pocket. Let's start with the first mistake, not reviewing your Social Security earnings record. This is something that's easy to overlook, but your benefits are calculated based on your lifetime earnings. If there are errors in that record, it can affect the amount you receive. Be sure to check your earnings report at least once a year, and if you spot any discrepancies, make sure to correct them before you claim. It's critical that this is done as soon as possible because any corrections can take time. Now let's talk about the second mistake, which involves claiming your Social Security benefits too early. Sure, it may seem tempting to start receiving payments at age 62, but here's the thing. Every year you wait beyond that. Until you turn 70, your monthly benefit amount increases. If you claim early, you're locking in a reduced benefit that will last for the rest of your life. If you can afford to wait, it could be worth delaying those benefits to maximize your payout. And that brings us to the third mistake, overlooking your spouse's benefits. Many couples aren't aware that they can optimize their Social Security benefits by coordinating when and how each partner claims. For example, if your spouse has a lower earning history, they may be eligible for spousal benefits, which are based on your earnings. You can adjust the timing of each partner's claim to maximize the amount your household receives. Another common mistake is failing to account for inflation. Social Security benefits are adjusted for inflation, but not every increase keeps up with the cost of living. In comparison, a gold IRA could be a more reliable option for wealth preservation. With the right gold IRA strategy, you can protect your savings against inflation while adding a hedge to your portfolio. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide and consultation. It's an easy way to safeguard your retirement from future economic fluctuations. Now, let's talk about the Social Security taxation mistake. Did you know that your benefits can be taxed depending on your income level? If you're earning additional income or have substantial savings, your benefits may be taxed at a higher rate. The key here is understanding the thresholds for taxability and planning accordingly. If you can minimize additional taxable income in your retirement years, you can reduce the amount of tax you pay on your Social Security benefits. One final mistake that often goes unnoticed is forgetting to factor in Medicare premiums. If you don't plan for these costs, you might find your Social Security checks smaller than expected. Medicare premiums can be automatically deducted from your Social Security payments, but they can also rise based on your income. It's important to budget for this to avoid surprises later on. So, to recap, check your earnings record, wait as long as possible to claim your benefits, coordinate with your spouse, consider how inflation impacts your benefits, be mindful of taxes on Social Security, and plan for Medicare premiums. By fixing these mistakes, you could maximize the amount you're receiving, ensuring a more secure retirement. And remember, if you're looking for even more ways to secure your financial future, especially if you have 100K plus in your IRA or 401K or 5M plus in savings, then a gold IRA could be the perfect option for you. Click the link in the description to get your free guide on why so many Americans are turning to gold IRAs to protect their wealth in retirement. Don't miss out. Get the help you need to safeguard your financial future today.